At the 10 best pieces of life advice tayo, ha? Okay, number 1 dito, stop trying to feel happy. Huwag ka daw nagpapanggap na masaya. You should strive for happiness, but trying to feel happy is losing strategy. Sabing ganon. Tapos, sabi dito, the truth is, you can't self-help yourself into a perfect life. Wala naman kasing perfect, no? And it's impossible for humans to feel happy all the time. Okay? Isulat nyo yan. It's impossible for humans to feel happy all the time. Type 1 if you agree. Okay, understanding that, and instead taking conscious actions that make your day-to-day life more joyful is the key to true happiness. Sabi ni Dre Diaz, yan, correct ka dyan, be happy kahit hindi pa nagbayad yung mga nangutang sa'yo. 70 million viewers in the house. Kasi pag na-stress ka, ganito lang yun, Dre. Pag na-stress ka, kakasingil sa kanila dahil hindi pa sila nangunguta, ay hindi pa sila nagbabayad. Na-stress ka na na-stress hanggang sa ma-stroke ka, di ba? O, di sinong na-perwisyo, di ba ikaw? Di ba? Ngayon, kung happy ka lang, at least happy ka pa din. Kahit hindi ka nakakasingil. Hindi kasi yung emotion yung hinahabol mo. Hindi yung feeling yung hinahabol mo doon. Hindi yung ipipilit mo, hindi yung nagpa-pretend ka, no? Hindi ganoon. Huwag ka magkukunwari. Kaya nga, meron din tayong sinasabing, it's okay not to be okay sometimes. Diba? Do you agree it's okay not to be okay sometimes? Oo, basta ang dyan, yung totoong nararamdaman mo, wag mong i-ignore kasi doon ka magkakasakit kapag ka ganun. Yung tipong malungkot ka, naiiyak ka, tapos pipigilin mo yung iyak mo, ganyan. Yun yung mga bagay na magdulot ng sakit sa'yo, ganyan, sakit sa puso. Kaya pag naiyak ka, umiyak ka lang, ganun. Tapos pagkatapos mo umiyak, smile na ulit. Shoutout kay Shara Tan. Ayan, kailangan ganun ang pagkakasabi. Sisi, I miss you. Yan, no? Ito po yung topic natin for today's video at hindi po ito haka-haka lang. Sabi niya, bagbagam. Ayan. The 10 best pieces of life advice. Ayan, ha? Good morning, Lods Glenn Alves. Ang tagal din kitang hindi nakita. Good morning sa'yo. Happy Sabado sa inyong lahat. 70 million viewers in the house. Pa-shoutout naman daw, sabi ni Nald Soronio. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo, sa iyong mga kakilala, sa buong pamilya mo, sa lahat ng kapitbahay, kabarangay ni Nald Soronio. Happy Sabado sa inyong lahat. Joseph Pascua 357. Good morning. 64 million viewers in the house. Good morning. Best life advice, number 1, stop trying to feel happy. Okay, Doc lang po. Ayan. Stop trying to feel happy. Huwag kasi yung happiness na feeling ang hinahanap ninyo. Huwag niyong ipilit. Ha? Sabi nga ni Think Twice. Wafelitin pag ayaw. Angie, good morning. Holler. Pag hindi kayo happy, hindi kayo happy. Pag hindi kayo okay, hindi kayo okay. Don't force it. No? Huwag kayo magpaka-plastic, ganun. Ha? Back to work na. Ayan lang, no? Number 2, don't make impossible affirmations. Ito yun eh. Kasi diba, minsan napag-usapan natin yung law of attraction. Dun sa law of attraction, meron tayo dun mga affirmations. So, yung mga sinasabi natin, lumalabas sa bibig natin, ayan, yun yung mga parang wini-wish natin. Ina-affirm natin na magkakatotoo yan. Ganon. Don't make impossible affirmations. Halimbawa, wala ka namang pambili ng sasakyan. Wala ka namang pambili ng sasakyan. Sinasabi mo, ipinipilit mo na makakabili ka ng sasakyan at ipipilit mo yan. So, paano mangyayari sa'yo? Don't make impossible affirmations. Yan ang number 2. No? Affirmations create belief traps. Sabi dito, standing in a mirror and saying, I'm a gorgeous model. You will only make you feel more in inner turmoil because you won't believe the words you're saying. Sabi dito. Trade up to realistic beliefs that you can accept. Ayan. Dapat yung mga makatotohanan lamang. Magkapagharap mo sa salamin, sasabihin mo, ang gwapo ko. Kamukha ko si James. Kamukha ko si, sino yung yung sa BTS? Oh, baka akala mo, kamukha mo yun, artista ka, no? Sa at tingin mo lang, paano yung sa totoong buhay? Paano na yung mga ibang taong tumitingin sa'yo? Basta ako maganda ako sa filter, no? Ako, at least ito makatotohanan. Pag sinasabi ko, maganda ako sa filter. Totoo yun. James Reid. True. Diba? Pa-shoutout kay Bustamante Junji. Gamon and happy Sabado sa iyo, sa iyong pamilya, mga kapitbahay. Happy Sabado, everybody. 55 million viewers in the house. Michael, good morning. Bings, ano daw? Good morning. Joseph, Thaler, Abella, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayan. Don't make impossible affirmations, ha? Jay, Salar Balar, good morning. Happy Friday over there. Kala ko James Bond. Pwede din naman po, Sir Glenn. Pwede naman din yun, no? So, yun nga. Number 3, strive for an imbalanced life. Balance is overrated. Think of balance like a seesaw at rest. Ayan. It's boring, lifeless, and dull. Instead, look for experiences that contribute to a thrilling life full of wonder and excitement. Ganun. Shara, Lisa Sombrero. Affirmation, gusto ko kahapon ng inihaw na pusit. Ngayon, nag-iihaw ako. At least, meron kang, di ba, no? Kumbaga, yung affirmations mo, yung pwedeng magkatotoo, ganun. Strive for an imbalanced life. O, wag yung balancing buhay. Wala kasing ganon. Walang perfect na buhay, no? Hindi pwedeng lahat ay, everything, no? Yung titipong everything goes ano ba yan? Hindi ko masabi. Not everything will go your way. Not everything will go the way you planned it to. Minsan kahit magplano tayo, minsan sumasablay. Minsan, 'di ba, iba yung plano ni Lord. Ganon. So, strive for an imbalanced life. Imbalance doesn't mean hindi siya happy life, no? Imbalance, andyan yung sabi nga dito, thrilling life full of wonder and excitement. Eto na si Mami Jo. Mami Jo, wait ka lang dyan. Akyat ka mamaya-maya, ha? Heart, Haller Baller, Willie Miranda, hello, hello, hello. Good morning sa ating 22 million viewers in the house. Andito na si Think Twice, Haller Baller, good morning. Ayan, at syempre, andyan si Mami Jo. Think twice. So mamaya, aawayin ka na naman ni Mami Jo. Mami Jo, wala ka na ba? Pinatawad mo na ba si Think Twice? Good morning sa ating 18 million viewers in the house. Gilbert Teller Baller, good morning. Number 4. Ito, gustong-gusto ko to. Hindi ka pa daw pinapatawad, Think Twice. Number 4. Let go of your ego. Huwag masyadong mataas ang pride. 'di ba? Huwag masyadong feeling gwapo tsaka feeling maganda. Huwag feeling artista, ha? Pa-importante ganun. Huwag pa VIP. Hello, Kim J. Toledo. Good morning. 'Di ba? Ayun. Let go of your ego, no? Your ego tries to protect you from looking stupid. Hello, precious Athena L. Ocampo. Good morning din. Let go of your ego. Your ego will keep you from signing up for a dance class, playing a sport, or attending a trivia night. Even when those things are good, interesting, and fun. No, ayun. Kasi yung ego mo, ayaw mapahiya, ayaw na napapahiya ka. Ganon. Let go of your ego. No? Hayaan mo minsan na mapahiya ka. Pag napahiya ka, tumawa ka din. Pag pinagtawanan, tumawa ka din. Ganon. Let go of your ego. Minsan, sabi nga natin, It's better to be kind than to be right. O kahit alam mo na ikaw yung tama, 'di ba? Kung ikakasira naman ng relasyon, o 'di ba? Kahit na tag dito, ikaw yung tama, ikaw pa rin yung magpakumbaba minsan. Ganon. Tingnan nga natin anong sabi. If you can't fight the fight, join the fight, sabi ni Jace. Good morning, Catch Medan. Good morning. Sabi ni Yahiko, tama yan, ma. Wag. 27 million viewers in the house. Rods, dapat ganon. Nice, ate. Thank you. Trippings. Hello. Daniel 1971. Good morning. Ay, laki ng tentacles ng pusit mo. Good morning po sa lahat. 36 million viewers in the house. So let go of your ego. Okay? Instead of listening to it all the time, learn when it's okay to let go of your ego and do something different. Ayan. Salamat po sa gift. Rods. Ayan. Salamat. Tensya. 49 million viewers in the house. Patap ng screen, pakishare ng live. Okay? Ang ego, nakakasira. Ang pride, nakakasira yan ng mga relasyon. Tandaan nyo yan. So, yon, nakakasira ng happiness ang pride. Kaya minsan, ibaba ninyo ang pride ninyo. Okay? Number 5, learn to accept the essence of something. Life isn't fair. Okay? But it can still be wonderful. Life isn't fair, but it can still be wonderful. Sabi niya, pero nakakalinis ng damit si pride. Depende kung powder siya, Lods Jace. Ngayon, kapag bareta yan, yan. Sabi ni Shara, yeah, do something different. Do what makes you happy. Kaya izumba at isayaw na natin yan. Yes, izumba at isayaw. Hindi pa ako, mami, may nag-ano pa po ako. Ayan, 64 million viewers in the house. Yeah, do something different. Ang tawag ito, lumabas ka sa iyong comfort zone. Dati kasi, ayoko lumalabas ng bahay, no? Comfort zone ko to. Yung bahay namin. Ayoko yan lumalabas. Ngayon, mabuti na lang, merong makulit na nagyayaya sa akin mag-zumba, si Tita Beth. Ayan, no? So, nahatak niya ako mag-zumba. Life has been more happier. Mas okay yun, mag-zumba yan. Do something different. Ganon, ha? Sabi ni Yahiko, pero masarap na yan. Fried chicken. Sabi ni Jace, hindi doon nakatira si Ma sa Pride Land. Si Simba sa Pride Lands. Doon siya nakatira. Yan to. Nokera. Salamat sa pag-follow. Dulce Amore, hello. Shout out. Andito na ang isa sa aking mga dakilang kaibigan, si I'm February 278. Hello, Jean Rose. Kompleto na sila. Nandyan na si Sharatan at si Jean Rose. Ang aking dalawang dakilang kaibigan. Hello, Jace. Oh yeah, Hakuna Matata. 50 million viewers in the house, guys. Learn to accept the essence of something, no? Life is unfair. Tanggapin natin that life is unfair. Kasi there are things minsan na nangyayari sa atin na alam mo namang unfair, 'di ba? Tapos sasabihin mo, bakit? Hanggat hindi mo tinatanggap that yun talaga yun eh. Life is unfair. Sabi nga, hindi pwedeng, wag mong asahan na hindi ka kakainin ng leon dahil hindi mo siya ginalaw. Alam mo yon, hindi mo siya inistorbo, so hindi ka kakainin ng leon. Wag mong i-expect na ganun. Ang leon, nature niya yun. Kakainin ka niyan pag nagutom siya. Kese hodang may ginawa kang mabuti o masama sa kanya. No? Life is unfair, guys. So, hindi porket mabuti kang tao, ibig sabihin ay hindi ka na maloloko. Hindi ka na masasaktan ng iba. Or hindi ka nila sasaktan dahil alam nilang mabuting tao ka. There are people na talagang masama. Yun yung nature nila. And we cannot change them. And yan yung mga taong narcissists. Okay? Wala silang pakialam. Ganon, no? Life is unfair. But it can still be wonderful. Now, sometimes you simply can't have something in life. Maybe you can't have children, your dream job didn't work out, or your relationship with your brother will never be good. Mga ganong tipo, no? Instead of chasing something that you can't have, kapag cannot be borrow one, wag mong habulin, no? Accept that you can have the essence of something. Ganon. People who can't have babies can adopt. People who don't have their dream career can pursue their interests as hobbies. Ganon. Okay? Learn to accept the essence of something. Getcha by Galiwaw. 44 million viewers in the house. Shoutout po kay Rads Lee. Salamat po sa pag-follow. Wild Kisser Halarbaler. Gamonin. Number 6. Marlon Bongo Villa, gamonin. General 483, gamonin. 47 million viewers in the house. Happy Sabado. It's 7:27 Manila, Philippines time. Tatapusin ko lang ito maya-maya. Akyatan portion na tayo. I miss you all. Gamonin. Taurus 05143, Master Founder Haller Baller, gamonin. Understand what true freedom is. Sabi dito, freedom isn't having tons of money or being able to travel all the time. Instead, freedom is having a greater ability to control your emotional state, no matter what happens in life. There you go. Yung nakakapag-bounce back ka. No, kahit masaktan ka pa, kahit na madapa ka pa ng ilang beses, you bounce back. Freedom. Kahit ano pang gawin nila sa'yo, hindi ka nila mapabagsak. Freedom. Kahit galitin ka nila, masaya ka pa rin sa buhay mo. No? Freedom. Wala kang inggit sa katawan. Freedom. There you go, no? Kaya nga sabi natin, huwag tayo ng grudge because nakakabigat yan, no? Freedom, no? Pagaanin natin ang buhay natin, no? Tayo lang makakagawa niyan. Good morning, Kabsa! Time freedom. Yes. Number 7, read. Magbasa. No? The more you read, the more you'll have access to some of the greatest minds that ever lived. Ayan. So, magbasa po tayo. Tayo ay pinayayaan ng Diyos ng natural na talino, no? But, the more we read, no, yung mga kasamahan natin dito sa mundo, madaming mga mas matatalino sa atin dito. Now, pag nagbasa po tayo, yung mga talino nila, yan, nakakakuha tayo ng ganun, bits and pieces of their wisdom. Ganyan. And knowledge, no? So, yon, read. Magbasa po tayo para hindi tayo nakadepende sa utak lang natin. Okay? Lalo na ngayon, no? Nagbago na ang panahon. Kaya kailangan nagbabasa tayo para to keep up with all the changes. Family freedom, financial freedom. Sabi ni Lods Glenn. Yes to that freedom. Number 8, journal. Magsulat kayo. Shoutout kay Pepito. Salamat po sa pag-follow. Andito na si Mento Pakin Haller Baller. Gamonin sa ating 30 million viewers in the house. Tapusin ko lang ito, guys, ha? Journal. Mag-diary kayo, guys. Para nandyan sa memories nyo yung lahat ng happiness, yung mga moments na masasaya, ganyan. Okay? We forget almost everything that happens in life, but we don't have to. No? Start journaling about your life and keep track of goals, both lofty and small. Yan. Journal about the mundane things, the important things. Journal. Mark Light, salamat sa pag-follow. 59 million viewers in the house. Number 9, be happy instead of right. Minsan, di ba yun nga, hindi mo kailangan ipilit na tama ka. Ganun lang talaga. Kasi may mga taong hindi naman tatanggapin na tama ka. Ayaw nilang magpatalo. So, well, just be happy. Diba? Come on in! We talked about not trying to find happiness. That's true. But it's also true that one way to guarantee more happiness in your life involves choosing to be happy instead of right. Okay. Choosing to be kind instead of right. Yeah. Try this. The next time you're arguing with your spouse, partner, or friend, ask yourself, would I rather be right or happy? Number 10, live according to your values. Ang tanong, may values ka ba? Anong klaseng values meron? Live according to your values. A lot of us don't behave in accordance with our values. You can value honesty, creativity, freedom, ingenuity. But if your beliefs, actions, and lifestyle don't mirror your values, you won't be satisfied with your life. So yun,